Okay, so here's the before.
Yeah.
The before picture. He's very much alive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got from the States. Here's that head first.
Yeah.
Is the most humane.
It is. Yeah, we
There's
know.
5 more in there. Yes, look at this guy.
Yeah.
About to provide a wonderful meal. All right, go for it.
You got him?
Let's give him a bath.
Okay. 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 He's dead. Oh, jeez.
Whoa.
Talk about active.
So, you want me to grab him?
Yeah.
Put a glove on.
Is he,
He's got elastic on him. He won't bite you.
Take a...
this?
Yeah. I just
Okay,
put him
so
in.
put him in there?
Put him in there. Oh, I should get a
This way?
that. Yep.
I got it. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
All right, he's in there. That's great. But he's kind of, there he is.
Oh, well, is this recorded or?
It's recording.
Okay, baby. Whoops! This, I'll tell you, they are. Oh, you want to do that one, Kristen?
So you put them all
Okay.
together in there?
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Here we go.
Grab by the top, Carolyn.
Number 3.
That way they don't bite you.
All right, he's not going to bite me. Oh my gosh.
I mean,
Very
right
good.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
These are really good because they're
All right.
jumping. Woo! That one is
That's a
really
big
good.
one.
Yeah. They were all should be about 1.5 pounds or.
This is great.
Oh, I think I just have to.
Yeah, just dump them in there.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right. There they are.
Okay, guys.
Here comes the meal.
Have a nice life. Yeah.
Sorry.
All right.
Did you get that?
Then you got the lobster here. What's the temperature? So that's on like high?
It's on high,
Fantastic.
and you bring it to a boil, and then when it comes to a second boil, you know, after these guys are in, then you time it for about, I think it's about 12 minutes.
Say hi. Yes.
Hi.
So my family
We're having fun here.
Yeah. My
Wish
family
you were
will enjoy
here.
this. Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes. Happy Mother's Day. So we have the lobster set up here.
Oh, I took him off the table.
Table. So you have the cutters.
Oh, yeah.
They're crackers.
So we'll.
You know. Oh.
Hi, Sarah.
Say John.
John.
Hi, Shelley.
Shelley.
Yeah. Linda.
Linda.
Mom.
We're all enjoying this. Got food. We got a serious checkers game going on here. Did you take over for me?
No.
Yeah, it's video.
Kristen.
It's video. I do a lot of videos.
She got in the kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah, I got her in the kitchen. Yes.
Yeah. This
Hello. Hi. So we're having a fun time
Are
here.
you going to get your driver's licenses yet?
All right. So how long will it take to cook? How long will it take to cook the lobster?
Well, when they come up to the second boil, it's about 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Cool.
We have 6 in the pot, so
Yeah.
I might check with the experts and those.
All right.
But I think it's about 12 to 15 minutes.
All right. Well, signing off. We'll get another one when I'm trying to eat one of these things.
Oh yeah. Wait till they're red and I put them on that big tray. That's